Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hard drive for the iPod Classic 6th generation. To get started, go ahead and grab your knife and place it in the top left hand side at the seam. Be careful it does not slip out and you cut yourself. Sometimes this may take some force. There are 4 clips along either side of the back case. I find using this tapering knife works best, as it can clip off all 4 clips at one time. Be careful it does not slip out and you cut yourself. This also takes a bit of force. Once you have it in properly, just lift it up and it should pop out. Be careful not to apply too much force and break it. Now to do the same on the other side. The second side should be a lot easier. Once you have them separated, be careful not to pull them apart, as there are still 2 ribbon cables connected. Simply flip it over and remove the ribbon cable at the bottom connecting it to the battery. Next, remove the hard drive. Just simply flip it up, but be careful, there's still a ribbon cable attached at the bottom. There's going to be a little tab you have to lift up to about a 45-degree angle before you can slide it right out. Now go ahead and remove the rubber seals around the hard drive you just took out. Sometimes when you get a new hard drive it might not have the blue insulation foam on it, so go ahead and take that off and place it on the new one. If you want any advice on purchasing the right parts for your device, please feel free to ask me. Now to insert the new hard drive. Just simply slot it back into the ribbon cable and place the tab back down. Be careful when you're placing the tab back down to not apply pressure to only one side of it, as the tab could break. Be patient and take your time when doing this, as sometimes it can be a bit tricky. Now to sit your hard drive back into place. Sometimes I find this can be a bit tricky also, with the rubber seals getting in the way. But simply push it down to the bottom and it should go in nicely. And now to put it all back together. Don't forget to reconnect the battery cable. There's a little slot and you should just have to push it into place. It's pretty easy to do. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and clip back on your case. Just go around all the edge, applying pressure until it clips in nicely. And that's it, you replace your hard drive. Thanks for watching, guys. Find this helpful? Visit my channel for related videos, comment, rate, subscribe, or visit theiPhoneFella.com for all your jailbreaking, unlocking, and iOS needs.